Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for those of you who are new. In today's video, I'm reviewing two new Outre ponytails. I have them both in the same style, but two different colors. So I'm going to show you both of them today. Before I jump into the video, I do want to say thank you to Outre for sending me these two ponytails. And then I also want to say thank you to you guys for watching today's video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell below as well so you'll be notified each time I upload a video. So in this package, they sent me a edge control brush, and they also sent edge control and a scarf. And since I've been kind of playing around with my hair has started to lift up and whatnot. So I'm going to try this Hicks edge control today. I know that Hicks edge control has been out for a minute, I believe, but I've never tried it. And I'm excited to try it and see what it's like. And then I also really like this nice and sturdy edge control brush. I'm going to open it. This is real nice, and I feel like it's gonna be really nice on the edges. So let's jump into the ponytails, the ones that you came here to see, right? So these are the two ponytails that I have today. They are the Outre Pretty Quick Pony in the sleek straight 16-inch long length, and I have one in 1B, and then I also have one in DR4 Ash Blonde. So I'm gonna do the Ash Blonde first because I actually think I'm gonna leave this one on today. Both ponies can be worn in a high and low ponytail, so I think I'm going to do the Ash Blonde in a high ponytail, and then I think I'm going to maneuver it down into a low ponytail with the 1B. So let's get into this and try this out. Oh wow, this is so nice and soft. I really love this texture. Did y'all see how that piece just came like curled like perfect? Why can't I get my curls to be like that? So it has a comb right here in the middle, and then it has two combs on the side for your security. I am going to show you guys how I put this in. Okay, this is cute. I'm actually feeling this Ash Blonde. Not gonna lie to you, I was a little bit nervous about this color. So I really have never tried an edge brush like this, y'all, so I'm like a beginner. It says edge styler, slick, swoop, and define. Oh, and then you can use this part to define how you want your curls to look. Okay, so it says use the comb side to apply your product. Hair is pretty much already pretty much tamed. Here is the ending product of me getting this ponytail installed. So this is the Ash Blonde one. I'll give you an up close view of the color. Am I saying Ash Blonde or is it Ash Gray? Because I really feel like this has like a hint of gray in it, which I guess is the point of Ash, but it looks really gray to me in person. I feel like, I guess I've just tried so many different Ash Blondes that I really just can't tell anymore. Key features of this ponytail says that it's made with premium synthetic fiber hair, great for high and low ponytails. It's a salon styled wrap ponytail, bulk free at the ponytail base, quick and easy styling, lightweight, soft feel, and natural luster. So same pretty much same key features as the last braided ponytail that I showed you guys. I am going to say that I felt like this one was a little bit more difficult with its security when wrapping the part, so you might have to use a bobby pin. As for when I did the braided one, it wrapped around and I could pretty much tell that it would stay how it was, and that's probably just considering the fact that the two different qualities or fabric and texture of the ponytails. Of course, this one is more silky smooth, so I would expect it to fall with ease considering how silky it is to the touch. You probably can hear these people outside of my window because they're loud AF right now. So sorry about that. For some reason, I feel like hers looks a little bit shorter than mine. I feel like mine looks a little bit longer, but I'm not knocking it. It's not a bad thing. I like the length of this. I don't mind it being a little bit longer. I feel like it makes it like cute and flirty. I don't have anything negative to say about this ponytail. I definitely think it's one that you should add to your collection. If you're interested in it, I will be putting it in the description box below so you guys can check out that as well. So let's go ahead and jump into the 1B ponytail. I have pulled my hair down to a lower bowl I didn't put it exactly really low because I didn't want it that low, but alright you guys, so I did go off camera and double check. Everything is looking good besides my natural hair. My natural hair could definitely be like set a little better, straightened a little better, I'll put it that way. My hair is just really thick right now, and blow drying natural hair is just so much of a task to me, so I didn't do that today. So just ignore that. We're paying attention to the ponytail anyways, right? Right. So the ponytail is absolutely adorable and I love it. I love me a good pull back midway low ponytail, if you get what I'm saying. Like when it's sitting in this spot, I feel like it frames my face well. It pulls back my face and just helps, just, you know. This definitely has the same qualities as the ash blonde ponytail as well. Of course, I will forever and always love a good 1B color in any of my units or wigs or ponytails or anything like that. I love a good 1B. It's always good to have a natural color in your collection. Then it's also good to have a color tone as well. So I definitely like both colors. They also come in other colors as well if you guys are not interested in the 1B or the ash blonde color. But if you like you a good pulled back ponytail, I definitely think this is one to try. It's a really easy process of just sticking the combs in and then wrapping that one piece around, and you're good to go and go out the door. Honestly, it's like my biggest task to me was just pulling my own natural hair back. It's not even the ponytail, it was my natural hair that was beating me up. But yeah guys, I think this is definitely one for the books, one that you should try. If you're interested in it, like I said, I will be having it in the description box below so you guys can check that out. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.